Resin2detail's new 1/32 scale 3D printed Pratt & Whitney R-2800 Radial engine kit, available now from Resin2detail.com, bringing unparalleled accuracy, detail, and buildability to the discerning modeler. Bendix-Stromberg pressure carburetor, full accessories case, intake manifold, front and rear cylinder assemblies, reduction housing for the early model of the R-2800, scintilla magneto, distributor caps, and prop governor pump. Also, Lord Dynamo mounts on the back near the accessories case, and an optional engine mount as well. Traditional resin casting, you experience shrinkage, warping, air bubbles, and fit issues. Not to mention push rods are normally not supplied in kits. Resin2detail has solved all these problems, creating a hollow crankcase, integral push rods, integral air baffles, integral exhaust outlet tubes on the front cylinders, and small details right on the top of the cylinder head for wiring, small details for the pressure tubes on the back of the carburetor, which are things you cannot replicate using traditional resin casting methods. Resin2detail's pioneering additive manufacturing approach allows all of these things and more, along with unparalleled buildability for this highly respected and widely used radial engine used in the, as you know, the Corsair, the Hellcat, the Neptune, Bearcat, and many other aircraft of World War II. You won't be disappointed by using this engine. Available now, again, from Resin2detail.com. I suggest you visit the store, and hope you guys like. Thank you.